So once you have the foundational skills, how do you then translate that into the workplace in your day-to-day responsibilities? One is whenever you get messages from your executive team on the company, its performance and direction, put in the work to translate that into your day-to-day responsibilities. Because I think what's important is when you're putting your work and priorities into context to your leaders, assuring that you are framing it in the strategy and the language and to the metrics that are most important to the company elevates your credibility. It elevates the impact of your ideas. It certainly gives you a better chance that those ideas will be embraced and funded by the organization. So applying these concepts as you put a business case together, I think is really vital to elevate your credibility and the impact of those business ideas. We also feel like it's not just important to understand your company and your industry and your priorities, but it's also really important to see that in the lens of the broader industry. How are your customers thinking about how to take their organization to the future and to succeed? What are your competitors doing to respond to different things that are happening in the marketplace, and what can you do in your role to better assist the organization to pivot in a way to maintain its own relevance and success in the marketplace? Companies have an investor relations website that is a fantastic resource of the latest analyst calls, the latest annual report, some of the latest press releases that the company has issued. I think if you go to your investor relations website and just read the headlines, you'll hear the company's strategy, its direction, its performance, its financial trends. And if you can read those through the lens of the fundamentals and just get a sense around where the company is moving, I think then allows you to put in context what you do every day as a part of the change agent that the company needs to help you participate in the future of the company and its success.